Your person, I was told yesterday evening that everybody wants to be Khumalo because they say former Minister Cele he loves Khumalo and defends him. Honorable member, one police officer I like is uMkhwanazi. Not because he's uMkhwanazi, not because he's beautiful or what, no. Because he knows his work. But uMkhwanazi is a human being like me and you. He's got his faults. I think one problem that has happened about uMkhwanazi is the South African society that have sang him hallelujah. And as a human being, you would love to float in the clouds of popularity. And out of that, you begin to make mistakes. I've said to you, some of the things, uMkhwanazi is a tough nut as a human being because that's how we train. I've sat down with him. uMkhwanazi had said to me, I'm sorry, Minister. I don't think that many people can find that from uMkhwanazi. But that does not make him a holy person. And I believe that the mistakes he made are genuine mistakes. What do you want me to say about him, to do to him, I would not. I believe. I have not seen him. I am planning to see him. But as I'm sitting here, I believe that he made a genuine mistake. And then if you make a mistake, and I believe it's a mistake, yes, you need to be pardoned. But I have not arrived there. But I have arrived in the understanding that he made a genuine mistake. I hope it's not philosophical.
No.